Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use Google Authenticator with Discord. So let's get started. So if you want to use your Google Authenticator application with Discord, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply install your Google Authenticator application from Play Store. After installing it, just simply open up your Discord, and after opening up your Discord from here, just tap on the U option or your profile option, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on that, just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, and from here tap on accounts. Inside your accounts you will find enable authenticator app. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now in order to enable your Google Authenticator, you have to first enter your Discord account's password. And after entering your account's password, just simply tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, now you will be allowed to add Google Authenticator with your Discord. So just simply tap on next. And after tapping on next, make sure that you have copied this code. After tapping on copy, now what you have to do is just simply open up your Google Authenticator. After opening up your Google Authenticator application from here, you just have to tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on the plus icon, now you will find these two options. First one is scan a QR code, and the second is enter a setup key. So now we have copied the setup key, so what we'll do is just simply tap on enter a setup key. And after tapping on enter a setup key, now from this page what you have to do is just simply enter the name of the app that you would like to link your Google Authenticator with. So in our case it is Discord, so what we'll do is just simply enter the Discord name in the first blank, and in the second blank now we have to enter the security key that we have copied from Discord. So just simply enter the copied key over here, and after entering it, now in the third blank you will find type of key option. Make sure that is on time based. And after entering all that, just simply tap on add, and after tapping on add, now you'll successfully access the security key for your Discord. So after adding it, now what you have to do is just simply come back to the home page of your Google Authenticator, and after coming back here you should find an option named Discord, and you will find the 6-digit code. What you have to do is just simply remember the 6-digit code, and after remembering that code, come back to your Discord, and from here just tap on next, which is on the bottom. After tapping on next, now you just have to enter the authenticator key, and after entering the key you will successfully be added with your Discord. So just simply enter the key over here. Make sure that you enter the correct key, and after entering that code, now you have successfully activated your two-factor authentication. Now just simply tap on done, and after tapping on done, now you have successfully linked your Google Authenticator with Discord. So that's it guys, this is how to use Google Authenticator with Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.